That's my segment.
Arjit, what are your expectations from this award ceremony and how many awards will you be taking back home tonight?
I have no expectations, man. I'm here to enjoy. Let's see, it's a nice place and good vibes है. मैं नहीं देता हूँ ब्लॉकबस्टर्स, वो सब दूसरे लोगों के कॉल्स होते हैं. डायरेक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स आर इन्वॉल्व. मेरी कोई प्लानिंग नहीं है. मैं तो फ्लो में चलता हूँ. देखते हैं क्या होता है. सलमान खान को हाँ क्या करना है. हाँ हैप्पी बर्थडे सलमान सर.
You're singing for Tube Night. How was the experience finally singing?
मैंने अभी तक आपको किसने बताया ऐसा कुछ?
सर गाया तो है आपने.
नहीं.
Expectations from the award ceremony?
I'm just here to have a lot of fun. This is essentially my first award function that I'm attending. I'm attending with a very dear friend of mine, Ashley Rebello, who is again nominated tonight. So I will be cheering for him and just here to experience it and enjoy it.
We also saw that Instagram post where Ashley said that perhaps you would be in Dabangg 3 with Salman. Is that true? What are the talks like with Salman?
I can't say much about that, but you know, if dreams come true, then maybe.
So you would like to work with him?
100%. No, actually, 1000%. Thank you.
Well, I'm styled by Surbi Gupta, and as far as the evening is concerned, it's Stardust, the biggest awards of the year, and I'm looking forward to the evening. And I loved Neerja this year, so I hope Neerja wins. It's been nominated, and looking forward to Jacqueline Fernandez's performance and celebrating films tonight. Well, I'm shooting with Dirish Malik at the moment. The film is called Band of Maharaja, and it's been produced by Wave Cinema, so shooting for that currently.
Hi. How is everybody? My plans are, I have 2 films in the pipeline. I'm very excited about my film Empreen, which is on Netflix now. Dila Zindagi is still in the theatre. It's doing very well. So I'm loving the appreciation. People are sending in lots of good wishes and love. So I'm really excited. Actually, it's the first time I'm here at the Stardust and Sansui Stardust Awards. So I'm super excited. There's so many of my friends who are nominated, so many talented people. I mean, it's anybody's guess. So I'm very excited to hear the results. Sonam is nominated, Alia is nominated. So I'm praying and wishing them all the best, and a huge, huge congratulations to all the nominees. It's very well deserved.
Well, I'm very excited. I think this is I would say this is my first award function which I'm attending. And last year I was down with fracture, so this is my first award function, and I'm very happily dressed. And well, I'm doing a South movie, a Telugu movie, and I'm doing a web series. Thank you.
आज शाम को मयूर गिरोत्रा जो डिज़ाइनर है, उन्होंने मुझे स्टाइल किया है. ये उनका इंस्पिरेशन है, जैसे मैं आज लग रही हूँ. I think any person in the film industry is a part of any award, because when you're here, you're supporting all the people that are participating in it. You're supporting all the winners, and that's basically it. I think I'm looking for a good time, entertaining
myself and just enjoying the night. That's it.
Right. Salman's birthday is coming up. The entire industry is. I'm excited. What are your plans this time around, and any surprise gifts that you're planning?
I don't think that he's a person who would, like a gift or something. In my way, I donate a small amount to Being Human, and that's my way of gifting him something on his birthday.
On the professional front, what are the films lined up and do we see?
I'm shooting for Ram Ratan right now, and then next year I'm starting a new film which I'm very excited about. Yes. It's a rom-com.
Well, I really feel whether you're nominated, not nominated, doesn't really matter. The question is that the people of this country have really taken forward to the film, which is Pink. I'm really glad that the impression that that film has had, especially has gone to the UN. The critics have loved it. The film people associated with the industry have loved it. So I don't think you need any validation for an award.
It's just good to be at these functions and be part of award season and be nominated. It feels nice. It doesn't happen too often in your career, so it's a good start, and I'm really looking forward to it.
Right. What are the projects that you have signed up? What are you busy with currently?
Yeah, so I'm shooting Bhavesh Joshi right now, directed by Vikramaditya Motwane, produced by Phantom Films. I'm in talks to do 2 films. One is a biopic, and I can't tell you, I can't talk about it, but you'll know soon. And another one is a slightly darker film. So I'm not sure about both of those films, but I'm really looking forward to them if they happen. But I'm only shooting Bhavesh Joshi right now.
I'm wearing Shantanu Nikhil, so very happy to be wearing his clothes.
We're looking forward to this award ceremony. What will be?
Sorry?
What are you looking forward to at Stardust Award?
This is my first Stardust Award, so everything, I think the performances and just generally the whole award function.
When is the Maniratnam film going to take off?
Unfortunately, I don't know if it's on, not on as yet, because it was supposed to I don't know, I haven't heard from them myself, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I hope it's not. Hopefully the New Year's will make a happy announcement, so in the next 10 days hopefully. Nothing officially has been done. I've been meeting a lot of people, so I've actually been reading a lot of news myself. So I just wish that the other people I've met, I've gone and met all the directors, so that news doesn't seem to be making the headlines, but nothing official as yet.
Well, I'm really looking forward to the performances and to just get entertained. वो मैं नहीं बता सकती हूँ, वो एक सरप्राइज है, बट जी मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट एंड
मैडम नीचे बैठो।
I don't know really what's going to keep me excited, but I'm hoping to enjoy myself for sure. And that's it.
You're also marking your return to South cinema with Dhanush in VIP. So how exciting would that be for you? Tell us something more about it.
I'm a little apprehensive, to be honest. But yes, I am very, very excited. I love the fact that, I'm going back to Tamil after a very, very long time. But I'm excited about it.
Jacqueline!
I'm really happy for Sara Zamana. It has already crossed more than 20 million. That too in a very short span of time, in just two, three days. I'm really happy because yesterday I was having interaction with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, and he expressed and he told me I was really happy that he also noticed Sara Zamana, and he is very proud of it. He's very proud of the reprised version of Sara Zamana, and he and Hrithik Roshan really appreciated my work, my talent. I think that's what really matters.
कैसे सुनो आपको? बहुत अच्छा मिल रहा है। ये हमारे 2.5 साल का सपना अभी पूरा हो रहा है। 7 अप्रैल को फिल्म रिलीज़ है। पोस्टर आज रिलीज़ किया, कल प्रोमो आउट होगा। अनुराग बासु, प्रीतम, कटरीना और मैंने बहुत मेहनत से ये फिल्म बनाई है, बहुत प्यार से बनाई है, दिल से बनाई है। एक फैमिली फिल्म है, बच्चों की फिल्म है और यही विश करता हूँ कि लोगों को पसंद आए। आप सबकी मदद चाहिए कि इस फिल्म को आप एक बहुत ही पॉजिटिव तरीके से बाहर प्रेजेंट करें, एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट। Thank you.
Looking forward to winning the award.
Well, I honestly don't think I deserve to win this year. There are superior performances. You know, Amit ji hai, Salman Khan hai, Sushant hai. They all have done some wonderful performances this year, and they are more deserving than I am. But I'm performing this year, so I'm very excited. Plus, my father is winning an award, which means a lot to me, for Kapoor and Sons. So I'm really looking forward to that. Hi, Bob. I was just talking about you.
पहले आपको ये बता दें कि हम एक घर में नहीं रहते हैं, हम अलग अलग रहते हैं। तो ये सिर्फ कोइंसिडेंस है, इत्तेफाक है कि हम एक ही वक्त आए और हम आपके सामने हाजिर हैं। ऐसा क्यों, मतलब कि
नहीं है, कंप्लेंट नहीं है। इनसे और खूबसूरत इंसान इस दुनिया में बना ही नहीं है।
I'm wearing Papa Don't Preach, and I'm wearing silver gown for the first time, so yeah, I love it.
Excited to be at the award ceremony. What are you looking forward to?
Do a lot of fun actually. I mean, award functions are actually one place where you meet almost the entire industry all together, and lots of great performances, some really deserving awards, and a fun night.
Legendary actors like Leonardo DiCaprio and Emma Watson behind. How privileged do you feel when you see these accolades coming your way?
I don't feel privileged, but I feel very proud. I feel very excited, and I'm thankful to people who have looked for me and wanted to know about me and are curious about me. I think Indian talent deserves to be on the top 10 of the list actually, and I'm really glad that I've been able to reach that position, and I hope other actors do too.
But wouldn't you say you're having the last laugh there, given the fact that when you started out in America, life was not very easy for you there? People used
But when I started out in India, Bombay, life wasn't easy either. Whenever you start off anywhere, even if it was in the movie industry for me in the beginning, life is never easy. You have to work really hard to come to a position where people learn and respect you. So I'm not someone who's like, abhi dekha. I don't do that. I'm just really happy.
The fact that you're the torchbearer for Indians in Hollywood abroad, because you're the one who's actually made new successful transition ever.
Well, I'm very proud of it. I've worked very hard for it, and I've stood my ground. मैंने अपने टर्म्स पे किया है जो किया है, मैंने कभी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं किया. So I think I'm really happy I've achieved what I did, and I hope that there's so much talent that we have here, other people also get that recognition and acceptance.
Do you see men making it big there, because no one has ever
Try नहीं करता कोई.
क्यों नहीं करते?
हिम्मत चाहिए. बस जाओ.
फिलहाल मुझे अवार्ड मिला नहीं है, तो ऑफ कोर्स मायने काफ़ी है. जिस दिन मिल जाएगा शायद उस दिन थोड़े मायने कम हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि जब आपको कोई चीज़ मिली नहीं होती है
excitement and the angst to want it more is, I think, more. So.
We loved you in part. What's coming up next? What projects are you signing?
Well, when I have something to tell you all what's coming next, I will be the first one to sit on my rooftop and announce it to the world. Right now, I don't have such exciting news to give you, but I'm at it and will give it to you very soon. Oh God, no, in caps. No. See, Nil Batte Sannata was a very, very special film. Very, very special. जब script आई थी तभी मतलब I just dived into the film. So as and when something as special as a contribution as a producer that comes my way, मैं definitely produce करना चाहूँगी. Most definitely. Thank you. मैं बहुत excited हूँ. मैं बहुत excited हूँ. ये एक opportunity जो मुझे मिला है. It's a dream come true to be able to work with Shah Rukh Khan, and I hope that everybody loves the song. In 2 days, release hoga. So I hope you guys love it.
And one person who has especially praised you for looking really good on screen is Gauri Khan, Shah Rukh's wife. Anything on that one?
She's I met her during Diwali, and she's absolutely lovely, so beautiful, and I'm happy that she liked the song. Thank you. Bye.
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much.
How proud do you feel?
I actually don't know if I deserve it, but I'm really happy. I had like a strong competition, and I feel all the nominees were amazing. They were like great actors, and I really feel happy and yeah, very excited.
Will we see Jackie Chan coming down here to promote the film?
Yes, you will see. I've stopped like celebrating stuff. Now I only work or I sleep. I become boring in life. Kriti and Sushant, it was really nice for me to be getting it from Sushant and Kriti, because Sushant was a part, he was the Dhoni in my film, and you know, he was really nice, and Kriti had won Best Debut 2 years back, so it was really nice to be getting awards from them.
मैं मुबारका फिल्म जो है मैं कर रहा था, तो उसके लिए मैं ये लुक ट्राई कर रहा था, मैंने एक आध लुक, मगर अनीस बाज़मी साहब ने ये लुक को रिजेक्ट कर दिया कि उन्होंने बोला नहीं आपको सरदार ही बनना पड़ेगा, तो उस फिल्म में मैं पगड़ी पहनूंगा, तो पगड़ी के अंदर ये होगा शायद, बट अभी उगा रहा हूँ मैं बात. Yeah, I just met him. Absolutely, it's a very, very proud moment for me. Absolutely, yeah. Couldn't have, you know, it couldn't be better, because this is second award. He's so I hope this streak continues. Thank you so much. Superstar of tomorrow. Sorry? बहुत हम्बलिंग है, क्योंकि जब स्टारडस्ट जो बहुत सालों से है ये अवार्ड आपको सम्मानित करता है, तो बहुत महत्व रखता है, एंड इसका यही मतलब है कि एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है अगले साल के लिए, जहाँ बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया और जुड़वा 2 रिलीज़ होगी, तो उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि मैं अच्छा सिनेमा करूँ, अच्छी फिल्म करूँ, एंड बस मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि हर फिल्म जो मेरी रिलीज़ हो उसमें एक मैसेज हो, और वही कोशिश है बद्रीनाथ. वेरी नाइस है एक्चुअली. 2016 अगर मैं गिनूँ तो ऐसे ही गिनूँ
hectic. Otherwise, really nice here as an actor. Yeah, just एक घुटने में चोट लगी थी लेकिन अभी ठीक है. शो खत्म हो गया, मैं आया हूँ यार, अभी थोड़ा होस्ट करूँगा. नहीं, मैं मुझे कुछ परफॉर्म करना है लेकिन शो के बाद करूँगा.
स्टारडस्ट, सनसुई, कलर्स, इन सबको मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ इस पुरस्कार के लिए. ये फिल्म हमारे लिए और हम सब के लिए, समाज के लिए, देश के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण थी. उसका विषय जो था वो बहुत ही अहम था. आज के समाज में मैंने हमेशा ऐसा माना है कि बेटियाँ जो हैं वो, उनका एक स्थान जो है, उनको इज़्ज़त और सम्मान मिलनी चाहिए. और इस फिल्म के द्वारा हमने जो कुछ भी कहा वो मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि कहीं ना कहीं बहुत से लोगों के मन में घर किया उन्होंने. सबसे प्रथम बात जो ये थी कि जो इसका संवाद था, नो मीन्स नो, ये संवाद जो था, इसने देश को एक तरह से एक चुनौती दी, एक नया वाक्य दिया. और इस बात की मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि लोगों ने इसकी प्रशंसा की, ख़ास तौर से हमारे देश की महिलाओं को. मेरा हमेशा मानना रहा है कि देश की महिलाओं जो हैं वो 50% शक्ति हैं हमारे देश की. They must be given the dignity and the respect that they deserve, and I'm very happy to be associated with a cause through a film that propagates this dialogue. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you all. Bye. Best actress.
How was it and how exciting was it?
It was amazing, you know. It was a great energy on the stage, and the dancers helped me so much. So I really enjoyed it.
Right. Your music album is also being highly appreciated. So anything on that front you would like?
Himesh's album, yes, and our song seems to be very well received by the audience. So I'm very happy about that.
Now that you've performed here and you've done a lot of stuff, what is keeping you away from Bollywood?
I don't know. Music is my passion, so I'm following this passion.
Alright. Salman's birthday is also coming up. Any special plans on that front? What will you like to gift him this time around?
I don't know. All my respect and my love.